there's just unexpectedly, from feeling blissful and relaxed, unexpectedly I just feel really emotional, and like it's just coming up inside the emotion, and it's just got to come out through my eyes and crying, and through my mouth, and like sort of noises like sort of sounds, and it's amazing. It's like unlike anything I've ever felt before, because it's just come from nowhere, this emotion, and it feels like it's coming from that part of my body where he's massaging, and it feels a bit like physical pain, but a different sensation as well, like that you can feel that it's something deeper stored, and just releasing the emotions is powerful.